Alright, today I'm going to show you 5 simple things to do in PowerShell if you're a beginner. The first is going to be to create a folder called test. Right now I'm working out of a folder called demo, so I got it opened up over here in the Windows Explorer, and on the command line you can see that's my working directory. So if I type pwd for print working directory, you see I'm on the C drive demo folder. So the first thing to do is to create a folder called test. So PowerShell uses the verb noun structure. So new item, path, dot for the current directory, the name is test, and the item type is directory. So now that when I ran that, you could see that a test folder was created, and you could see the results from the command being run. A shorter version of this using the Linux style, like make dir. So if I do test2 for make directory test2, you can see that it was also created. So now I want to create a file called cat in the test folder. So I can just copy this, so I can save time and not have to retype the whole thing. So in the path, I want to do this inside of test. And then I want to call this cat.txt, and this is going to be a file, not a directory. So I can select this and then hit run selection. If I hit this, it's going to run all of it, so I just want to run this selection. And then when I click in this folder, you see that cat.txt is there. Now I want to edit the file, so I create what's called a string, and then test cat, a greater than sign. I'll put 2 greater than signs, so it'll always just go to the next line and not write anything over, or the file over. So what I can do is do test cat.txt. So right now I'm working out of the C drive demo folder. I'm saying go to the test folder and then the cat.txt and put that into that that file. So now when I open it, I just do start process. I want to open this in Notepad. And the argument list is test cat. I don't know if you noticed or not, but I passed a for the first parameter, because the commandlet knows the main parameter that's being passed, so it knows that I want to start this process, and behind the scenes it grabs the source of what Notepad is, so it can find the executable file for Notepad. So now I'm going to open cat. Now you can see it says test cat, so I'm going to add test dog in there as well. And then I'll open it again. Now you can see that test cat and test dog are both in the cat.txt folder. Now I need to delete the test cat file. So this time I will go change directory into the test folder, and then I will run the command remove item path cat. So when I start typing, since I'm in the test folder already, I can just type CA and hit tab, and it'll find the most similar file or folder, and then use tab completion or IntelliSense to complete what I'm looking for. If there's multiple files similar to that, it may be a little confusing, or it may pop up right here and to show you what you can select. So now I'm going to run remove item, and you should see this cat.txt be removed. Okay, now I want to delete both of those folders. So what I can do is, I'm in the demo folder now. So let's see here. If I type path, you can see that it's a string of arrays. So what I can do is create an array. I want to say test and test2. So I'm removing both of these paths. Let's see if it works. Okay, so now I deleted test and test2. So now the demo folder is empty again. And that's pretty much it. So see you guys next time.